Yeah, got him.
Nice. Watch our right. He's in front.
There's a guy in the purple shirt. I got him.
Damn.
He's got hit from someone over around here.
About 4 people over that ridge by the
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
I just saw him.
Hey, watch your left.
Right there, straight ahead, straight ahead. Caught me, I was
Watch your
reloading.
left, Tommy. The guy just came up from there, got hit.
Hit, hit.